Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be making these delicious potato finger snacks. If you really want to see how I make these, keep watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I've got already here my 2 breast chicken. It's already washed. Now I'm going to put in the pot. I'm going to add 2 glass water, some salt. Then I'm going to boil it for 20 minutes or until it's tender. Okay, while we are cooking chicken, I've got here my potato. It's already boiled. It's 8 medium potato, as you can see guys, and I'm going to mash them. Don't need to mash too much, just a little bit, because we still have to mash again later. So yeah. Okay, done with potato. Now I've got my large onion. I'm going to chop it in very small pieces. Okay guys, now that I'm done with chopping, I'm going to put my onion in the bowl. Then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to mix it well. Then I'm gonna cover it and set aside for later. It's been 10 minutes already. Our chicken is done. Now I'm going to remove from the pot and put in the plate. I'm going to let it cool down completely. Okay, my chicken is cold now. I'm going to break in small pieces. Okay, it's been 7 minutes since I put salt in my onion. Now I'm going to put in this dish towel and squeeze all the onion juice out because I don't need it. If you want to remove the juice in onion, you have to put salt. It's going to help soften quickly and easily you can remove all the onion juice out. Okay, now here I'm just gonna change my bowl because it was small. I'm gonna use something a little bit more bigger. I'm going to add onion in this potato and continue mashing the potato well because it wasn't well meshed. So I'm gonna use my hand to make sure everything is nicely meshed. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to add my chicken. I'm going to add also 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. 3 egg yolk. And I'm going to go with my hands and combine everything well. Now that I'm done with mixing, I'm gonna go ahead and make my finger shapes. It won't be that perfect, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm done with shaping. As you can see, guys, it's not that bad, right? And here we got still our mixture. You can keep in the refrigerator up to 3 days, not more than that, because we got onion in, and if you leave it for long, it will smell. Okay, so now it's time to fry. We need 2 eggs, so I already beat my 2 eggs. Now we're going to add some oil in the pan. Once your oil is hot, you're going to take potato finger, dip in the eggs, then you place in the pan. Now we just have to fry until it's light golden in both sides. My potato finger is done. Now I'm going to remove from the pan and place in the plate. See how easy is that? It's really easy, guys, and it's delicious, perfect for any time. We don't need so much spicy, just salt, black pepper, and you are good to go. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done, share this video with family and friends, and comment down below what you think about this recipe. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.